Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get clear mode on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open TikTok, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on this, and here you will see clear mode option, but it's not showing on my phone. So what you need to do is just simply go back, and you have to check for the update. From here you have to check for update. So you have to open App Store, and from here you have to search for TikTok. Here it is guys. So from here you have to check if any update available here, then you have to update your TikTok, and after that check whether your clear mode option is on or not. And if it's not showing in your TikTok, then what you need to do is just simply open TikTok, and then you have to tap on your profile, then go to three lines, setting up privacy, scroll it down, and you have to tap on report a problem. And after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, and you have to tap on suggestions. From here you have to tap on need more help, and here you have to write about your problem. So now I'm going to copy it from my WhatsApp. Now I'm going to paste it. So this was also given in the description as well, and here you have to select your screenshot of your problem. So you have to take screenshot, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on report, and after 48 hours this option will be enabled on your TikTok. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.